फकीरी मिजाज रखते हैं, as per my nature I would like to speak something. जो फकीरी मिजाज रखते हैं वो ठोकरों में ताज रखते हैं, उनको नहीं होती परवाह कल की, क्योंकि वो मुट्ठी में आज रखते हैं. We continue with the future plan, and first of all I would like to invite Vishit. We'll take after you. We'll take order.
Hello everyone present here. Back to my fourth speech, which is on future planning. Actually, my life is not perfectly set, and also the lives of every people are not set. Actually, the mentality of the people is basically dependent on the insurances and also the policies which they have passed, and they are totally dependent on it, and also on the properties or anything which they have, they will secure it for the future use. But one thing which I learned from a Gujarati natak which was Khel Chabilo, in that the character Sanjay Goradia told that a very motivational line which was, I may like to say in Gujarati, that he told that જિંદગી જ્યારે આવતી હોય ત્યારે એને પ્લાન કરીને ન જીવવાની હોય, જિંદગી જેમ આવે એમ જ જીવતી જવાની. It means that a person's life is not totally scheduled or planned. He has to plan it by himself or herself and just make it enjoyable and truthful. So I have made in our family we don't have made any future plan for having any trip or any fun trip in which we can enjoy after this 2 years of corona pandemic. So and I also learn each and everything from where I get, because the mind, for example, the phones are having the capacity of storage about 512 GB or 556 GB, but our mind and heart are having thousands and lakhs of TB data in it. So it can store many things in the form of the things that we learn from each and everything. I also have a motto that I learn each and everything because I stay hungry and stay foolish, which means that it was said by Apple CEO, who was Steve Jobs. He told that he always stays hungry and stays foolish. To stay hungry is to stay hungry to grab the knowledge from everywhere, and to stay foolish is so that if we show our smartness in the public or in general, the people will think that he has learnt everything and he has smartness. But if we stay foolish, then we may get new things from different people.
Absolutely, absolutely. Wow, wow. What a great philosophy.
And I want to tell about my future plan. I want to become an athlete, and also I haven't decided yet. So from 5th standard or 6th standard, I had the dedication that I will become an athlete, and I also applied for Khel Mahakumbh in 2019, and I went till state level in athletics. For the district level was of 50 meters of 2 rounds, and the state level was of 100 meter 2 rounds. So I wasn't able to pass the state level, but then to my mother told that why to lose hope, you have many years, because still there are grades which are not that much hard. You can cover up the athlete thought which you have made up in your mind, and also I feel very relaxed and very fresh after coming from there, because I just enjoy there and also have a lot of practice to lose my weight. And now what can I say about myself in future planning? That I also want to have trip in many places, but actually due to this pandemic, I also agreed with my father that in this year or in next year we won't be able to go anywhere due to the increasing cases of Omicron and also COVID-19. So I agreed with him, and also I made a plan that in vacations every day I will have a cycle ride and exercise in the morning and also in the afternoon while going at the race course for exercising. So I just made the plan before coming here that I will go tomorrow for exercising and having a cycle ride with my friend and also his friend. So we also have fun and we are also relaxed. We also talk in between, we take a rest in between where we get a place to sit, and also we take water bottles. Due to the winters we take mineral water and also boiled water so that we feel fresh and also we don't have any disease or any infection in our throat. So my future planning is like this. So thank you and have a nice day.
Very wonderful planning, and may God fulfill all your dreams. May your all dreams come true, and you also fulfill your dreams as well as your parents' dreams.
Sorry, actually I forgot to tell my. So,
Yes, please come over here.
I want to tell that dreams are a thing or a thought in your mind which just help you to go through the way or which is also the path to the success. Because if you don't have any dreams, then the work or the dedication that this work I have to complete or I will complete, you can't complete it because you don't know the path. You can, but you don't know the path. For example, if a traveler doesn't know his destination,
Correct.
then in which train or by any transport he can go, but where to go, he does not know.
Correct. Does not know the destination. And for that, I would like to say what he wanted to say you that actually सपने को पूरा करने के लिए पहले सोना पड़ता है. जब सोते हैं तो सपने आते हैं और फिर पूरा करने के लिए जगना पड़ता है. So mind it, to fulfill the dreams, you have to wake up, you have to stay up continuously. Always the burning person can get the destination, not the sleepy. So always remember these things. Great.